In today's video, we are flushing the coolant out of a 2012 Chevy Camaro. All you need is 1.5 gallons of the orange coolant, 2 gallons of distilled water, and watching this video. Let's get it.
Check the cap. Make sure that O-ring is good. Looks good. No cracks. Next thing we're gonna do is go into the car. Make sure engine's cool. Done draining, let's reinsert the little pin. Doing clockwise to close it, counterclockwise to loosen it back up. Now that's closed. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some distilled water. Make sure you go with distilled water rather than tap water. Distilled water doesn't have no chemicals inside of it. It's already pre-boiled water. So make sure you go with distilled water and not tap water. Tap water crystallizes with the calcium and all other components. The bottom is closed. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to Alright, so the Chevy Camaro 2012, it needs the antifreeze and coolant by Dexcool. Look at the cap, it said Dexcool. This show right here shows you your amount, your limit.